Hey guys, this is part 2. And I promised I was do it on Sunday or Saturday. Today is Pata, and I think that's for Sunday. So yeah, let's get started. Pum 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 pum. I'm scared. I'm scared. Me too. Let's go around to mommy. Mommy. What's happened? What happened, honey? We're scared wonder. Yeah. Okay, guys, stay with me. Guys, let's do that. Wait. Oh. Oh my god, I'm just so good at watching this film. That's all you watch, dummy. 24/7, that's all you watch, bro. Hey, don't be mean. Oh my god. Anyways, calm down, Emily. We can do it. Okay, I actually need my phone. I have to check my browsers. Instagram. Checks a post on Instagram. Oh my, I only got 0 likes. Oh, that's so annoying. I always get it. Yeah, because it's dumb. We can't even do one Instagram post without 100 likes. Ugh. I can't handle these kids. Kids, are you not scared? No. Oh my. No. God, but tell her she's still not crying. Oh my. Oh, this is the worst day ever. Guys, don't mind why there's no like things. I changed it. This is the baby. This is the baby's eye. These are the baby's things to make the house smell good. So she uses these for the baby's butter thing here in the middle and stuff. I forgot the name. But like so yeah. Oh my god, I can't even stop watching this. Can you shush? I'm trying to look at my Instagram posts. Okay, that's what I thought. I'm bored. Yeah. I want to go and sit down. Check on the kids, please. I'm not gonna check on them. Okay. Woo! Kids, don't do that. Get in your bed right now. No. Oh my god. The kids were literally not in their beds. What? But they are supposed to be in the beds. Actually, yeah, but now they're in the beds. Okay, cause I'm trying to relax. Watch this video. Because it's so low. Oh, Emily slept. Okay, I guess we can put her back. Okay, I think Lucas and I forgot his name. I'm just gonna call her Tiffana. Tiffany. I can't remember. Let's call her Millie. Yeah, anybody? Lee. Let's call her Aisha or Nida. Amanda with ASMR. Okay, so let's continue, guys. Yeah, oh my god, I love these videos. I love them. Shush, bro. Okay. I'm literally bored. I'm just gonna sleep. Yeah, sleeps. Well, fun is purp. I didn't use opens. Here, that was my favorite part. Now I just skipped it. Suck it, loser. It's literally the news. Anyways, I'll just watch the news. What news? Oh no! Oh no! News! Kids, don't worry, it's just news. It's not like a zombie apocalypse. Okay, come on, sleep back. Oh my god, I have to get, guys, should I call her Lucy or Lily? I forgot. I'm just gonna call her Lucy. I guess I have to get Lucy and gonna make her sleep. Make sleep. Rock a baby on the treetop. Rock a baby on the treetop. On the rainbow. Lily sleeps. Otherwise, I just couldn't hear sleep, I think. I'm coming. A minute. Put Lucy. Okay, I guess Lucy is asleep. And that's all. Honey, wait till you get your computer. No. Honey, no. Why is there water? I don't know how you just drank that water. Guys, I wondering how you add your footsteps. It's from my Toga Baker pack. That just some balloon thing was from the Valentine's. These walls are like that. I got a plan with Prank Sissy. Where's Prank Sissy? I hate her. I can hear you now. Oh my god. Come to the room. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, stop. Oh, you are so done. I cannot handle you. Pushes, plum. Ow, mommy. Oh, what is it? Sissy pushed me. Layla, why did he push you? Brother. Because he was being annoying. I was just trying to look at my phone while he just comes, starts making a plan of me. Seriously, Mom, it's so annoying. Now, and you always get his back. That's so annoying. Bye, Mom. Ugh. I'm just going to watch my phone. Avery, you cannot do that. Give me your phone. No, Mom. Fine. Grounded. Okay, fine. Here, but you can have your plushie. Okay, fine. Come on, go back to your bed and don't go to a plan. Okay, don't go to our plan. I'm already mad. Okay, mommy. I can't believe I'm still grounded just because of him. Ugh, it's so annoying. Now I just have nothing to do. Yeah, my film. Finally, at least I have my TV here. Kids' TV is open still. Can you watch my film? Yeah, okay. I am sick of tired, bro. The kids stop making arguments. Okay, honey, calm down. I'm still angry at him. I wish I still got my phone. Half an hour later, I feel bad. I should give her phone back. Yeah, give her phone back. Avery? I was gonna call Avery, I forgot her name. Yeah? I feel bad, so here your phone. Alrighty, thank you, Mom. No problem. Okay, fine now I can just look at my stuff real quickly. Watch stuff. Okay, let's get back. And guys, this is all for part 2. I can't make it that much, but I'll try and doing it on Saturday or Sunday. I'll try to do it on Saturday. Sorry if I can't do it right now. I'll actually just do it like tomorrow when it's Monday. So when school finishes, guys, I'll do the role play and stuff. So yeah, bye guys.